You okay there, guys? Today I'm going to be replacing the air filter on my Vauxhall Insignia, so I thought I'd video it just to show you how it's done, and if you need one doing it on your Vauxhall Insignia, you better do it quite simple. Right, first thing we need to do, if you don't know, your bonnet pole's down there, so we give that one a pull and that pops up on it. Right, this is where our air filter is located. So what we need to do is take this wire off the airflow meter, undo this Jubilee clip. That there is a 7mm nut. And then we need to undo these bolts here, all the way around, and you need a T25 to do that. Right, first of all, to do this wire, you just pinch these two clips here, press that button in, give him a little wiggle and off he pops, and pop that one out of the way. Now we need to undo this bolt here. It's a 7mm, so unscrew that. Just got to loosen it enough so we can pull the airflow meter out of the airbox. Just pop that clip out of the way, just so you don't lose it. Right, now we need to undo these bolts here in the airbox. As I said, T25. When you unscrew them, they will come loose and they'll actually just stay in the airbox. There's 6 in total to undo. When you get the air filter out, just need to match it up with your new one just to make sure it's correct before you fit it in. And then it just clips out those clips there, like on that side. Just check, make sure there's no debris inside there. Pop your air filter out. You can see in this one here, look, I've got some leaves, so we need to get rid of that. Give it a bit of a clean out. That gets sucked up from the intakes, that goes down inside the inner wing. You see how dirty that one there is, that's well dirty. There we go, just check the size of it. If you noticed on that new air filter, it had a bit of sponge on the bottom. That's a slight modification I made. As long as the size is correct, that's all that matters. Because I do modify engine parts every so often, just to get a slight better performance out of them. And all you got to do to finish it off is just do everything in reverse. Right, that's all 6 bolts done up. Before you tighten them up properly, just make sure it sits down onto the lip properly. Because if you tighten them up when it's not sat on the lip, you can crack the casing. And slip your Jubilee clip on. Locate your airflow meter. If you can't get it in, just a little bit of washing out liquid, that will help you get it in. Jubilee clip done. Last but least, the wire for the airflow meter. Push that one on, push that one in. There we go.